On the dividend news, we do have Stanley Black & Decker, which hiked another 1.2 dividend hike to 83 cents quarterly. This actually marks their 58 years of dividend hikes. We also have PPG Industries, which they did a 4.4 dividend hike. As well, we have ticker symbol NDAQ, which hiked a 12.5% dividend hike. That is 12 years of consecutive dividend hikes. As well, we also have ticker symbol PAG, which they hiked their dividend by 4.8%. This actually marks their 19th consecutive quarterly increase. And the second to last one we have here, guys, is ticker symbol FIX, which they actually did a quarterly dividend of 50 cents per share, which is a 0.0 or I guess 5 cents dividend hike. And finally, the last one we have here, guys, is ticker symbol WST, which they hiked their dividend by 4.8%, now marking 33 consecutive years of dividend increases. What's up, everybody? This is Antonio here bringing you episode 300 of the portfolio update. So you guys already know it's Sunday. It's time to go over the portfolio, what I bought, what I sold, what dividends came in, and in general how much we grew the dividend snowball. I'm gonna try to keep this video fairly short because I am not feeling the 100% best, but you guys already know that every single Sunday we come back, we look at the dividend scripts here, guys. This is our projection for monthly dividend income, $120.66, completely passive, don't have to do anything. Absolutely, hopefully by the end of the video we should see this much higher because we continue to dollar cost average, especially because if we do look at our updated goals for 2025, I am here keeping us focused. That is 20,000 subscribers. So on the channel, it's nothing related to my I guess dividend portfolio, but it is really nice to have this goal here. I'm trying to reach 20,000 subscribers. So if you're a returning viewer or you haven't subscribed, completely subscribe. It costs you nothing. Drop a big thumbs up on the video to help out the channel, and I definitely appreciate it. So help me reach goal number 1. Goal number 2 is to make about $130 per month, trying to in dividends, and then you'll see that we have a long way to go. Right here on the third one, that is to reach $140,000 invested of my own money. I am actually at $136,751.84 at the current moment. We had to try to get to about 140, and then the number 4, which is to dollar cost average into the portfolio, no matter what the market's doing, if it's up, down, sideways, whatever the case is. We're going to continue to dollar cost average into this portfolio for the long term. We do have long term time horizons as well. As you guys will see here, I do have invested since the beginning of this year in January. I have invested $9,900 into the portfolio. I'm going to hopefully keep that going, and we'll see where this ends up by the end of the year. And then you guys already know, if we do look at the portfolio, you'll see that it's actually at $341,747.86. This has reached an all-time high on the portfolio. It just keeps going. A couple months ago, guys, we were at about $246,000 of the portfolio value, and we have gained this back, which I'm super proud, super happy. On the 1 month change, they are up by 4.52%, which is a $14,780.76. We can actually go to the 6 month. We're up 17.70%, which is about a $51,000 return there on the gains. And then as well, year to date, that is a 22.42%, which is about $63,000. We look at the 1 year, we're up 30.77%. It's about $80,000. And then on the 2 year here, guys, we are up in the green by 61.75%, which is about $130,000 that we have here. And that's really awesome seeing that, guys. We can continue to dollar cost average to the portfolio because that is one of our goals, and it's been working very well the past couple years, especially because I do buy when we do get a nice red day in the market. But if we do look here, guys, I'll show you the positions here. Positions at $81,842.36, which is about a gain of 31.49% that we don't have, or I guess they're capital gains that we won't take yet. And then you'll see my current positions here, guys. Microsoft, 226 shares, trading around 513, guys. We actually are worth about we're up 21.79%, which is about a $20,000, almost $21,000 here. We have a price average cost basis of $421.81. Same thing for Alphabet. We're finally in the green, 15.13%, which is about a $9,000 return there. We have Meta, Amazon, which Amazon I'll probably continue to buy, as well as Alphabet. But we have Nvidia, MasterCard, Visa, Apple, Costco, SCHD. So we'll see where the market goes. I'm super excited all the time to see this. But one thing I do want to point out, guys, and that is that we are going to have a big busy week. This is earnings whispers for the week that's coming up. So I guess the week of July 28th, 2025. You'll see here's Monday broken down before the market does open. There's other companies that will be reporting. Nothing too interesting. After close, we have Waste Management, which I used to be invested in this, so that might be interesting. We have Whirlpool. And then if we do look at Tuesday before open, United Health Group, which will be interesting. We have SoFi, PayPal, Boeing, UPS, Spotify, Procter & Gamble. So this is going to be a pretty busy Tuesday morning. Visa, I guess the after close is Visa, Starbucks, Seagate, Booking Holdings, the Cheesecake Factory, and Caesar Entertainment. So that one might be interesting as well. I'm mostly aiming for the Thursday, for I guess Wednesday, Thursday. The only one right now that's in my portfolio is Visa for Tuesday. Before open, we do have Altria, we have Kraft Heinz, we have Etsy, Hershey's, Harley Davidson's, and then after close, this is where the big tech companies come in, guys, and that is Meta, Microsoft, which I'm invested in both of these. I'm invested in Visa. We have Robinhood, we have Applied Blockchain, Carvana, Qualcomm, Ford, and ARM. And then as you'll see here, guys, on Thursday, before open, we have CVS Health, Roblox, AbbVie, Norwegian Cruise Line, and then we have MasterCard, which we do have an investment in that, and we're doing pretty well so far right now. After close, we are going to be the big tech companies that could potentially move the market. We have Apple and we have Amazon, Coinbase, we have Cloudflare, Roku, and that'll be an interesting actual day on Thursday. See what the market does, and maybe we might get a nice pullback, continue to buy the red, and then we'll recover from that. So that's really awesome. We're going to close that week on Friday by ExxonMobil, Chevron, Regeneron, and that's really about Colgate, and that's about it. T. Rowe Price as well. So those are the companies that will be reporting this coming week. Let me know in the comment section which company you guys are watching, especially because if they're in your portfolio, definitely would love to know. But let's go ahead and look at the portfolio gains. That is $123,065.02. If we do look, that is a 59.31% rate of return. And then on the investment, we are projected to make $1,495.22. So that's going to be pretty awesome. We're going to continue to accumulate this. We got to get to 130 on the monthly average here. And then if we do look at the transitions, there wasn't much here. We do have it to filter out from the 20th of July all the way till the 26th of July of 2025. Pretty easy week. We only deposited $200. That is our goal. Continue to dollar cost average, into the portfolio, and you'll see that we do have, or I guess we used those $200 to buy $100 worth of Google, Alphabet. We bought a little bit over half a share at half a share, and then we bought it at $188.98. Google's trading a little bit higher than that, and then we have Amazon, which we bought 0.43 shares at $227 with 73 cents. So pretty cool there. Let's go ahead and wrap up this video, guys, to see how much we grew the dividend snowball. So I'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, so we're at the Google Sheets. I'll go ahead and go here to settings, and we'll go ahead and get rid of this actually. And now we can jump over to Empower, so we can grab the latest version of our portfolio that contains all the purchases. So let's go ahead and go over there. All right, guys, so we're at Empower on my Schwab account. Let's see this green button. It's called Copy Holdings. This copies the content of my portfolio into the clipboard. We can then right click, paste special values and only, and we are there ready to go, guys. So that's going to be pretty awesome. If we go to holdings, you'll see this is an old snapshot of my portfolio. You'll see that we had, Visa 30 shares. We have Alphabet 355 shares, and it's pretty awesome seeing that. But if we do go here to portfolio tools, update portfolio holdings, this will get wiped. It'll parse out the new stuff we just pasted. So let's go ahead and click on it, give it a second or two, and there it goes, guys. We can jump back over here, see how much we grew the dividend snowball. So as you'll see here, projected dividend yield is a 0.42%. It did go down slightly, which is a good thing. Yield on cost still stayed at 0.56%. Yearly, that is $1,448.34 compared to $1,447.91. And then you'll see here we did go up by 3 pennies on the month. On the week, we did go up by 1 penny, and then on the day we stayed the same, $3.97. Same thing for hourly, $17, and then hourly work wage as well. Or I'm sorry, this is a 17 cents every single hour that goes by. That's what the portfolio is making, and this is a 40-hour work week. This is if our portfolio was to go work a 40-hour work week, they would get paid a rate of 70 cents per hour. We're going to eventually try to get this a minimum wage. We'll see how long that takes, guys. That would be super awesome when we do achieve that huge milestone. But that is actually all I have for you guys in this update. Don't forget to subscribe with the notification. Help me reach that 20,000 subscriber mark. Definitely would appreciate it as well. If you guys wouldn't mind, drop a big thumbs up on the video. Costs you nothing, and it definitely helps out the channel. If you stuck all the way to the very end, let me know by dropping a hashtag big tech, because we do have some pretty big tech companies reporting earnings this coming week, and definitely would love to know your opinions on what you guys think the market will do. I will talk to you guys later. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.